Hey guys, Coach Speedy here from True Academy, and this is your guide to the perfect squat. You're going to start by placing your feet shoulder width or slightly outside. You can turn your there. Oh, I teach this to a million people all day long. Hey guys, Coach Speedy here from True Academy, and this is your guide to the perfect squat. You're going to start with your feet shoulder width or slightly outside. Your feet can either face forward or turn them out slightly. Take a big deep breath in, brace your core. You're going to initiate from your hip first, driving your arms up and allowing your knees to bend as you sit through and stand back up. The entire time during the squat, you're aiming to stay balanced 50-50 between your heels and your toes. If you can check out my back angle, as I squat down, I'm maintaining a neutral spine. If you feel that spine round, then that is as deep as you're gonna go. Same again, big deep breath in, arms up, hips back, initiate from the knees, stand back to the starting position.